Hello, today I will show you how to install a Bluetooth onto your old or older stereo that has a cassette player. Here I have a Monster Bluetooth adapter. Uh, in this video I'll show you how to make the connections, and you'll be able to use your iPod or any Android device to stream your music. First you have to purchase this cassette, which has the headphone jack on the other end. There's the headphone jack. And here I'll show you where the cassette connects onto the Monster Bluetooth adapter. It's harder to do with one hand, but I'm inserting the headphone jack into the adapter. I almost got it there. And next you connect the Bluetooth adapter to your USB for the power. Any power device that connects to the lighter will work okay. So that here the Bluetooth adapter is turned on. You see the lights going on, and now you just insert the cassette into your radio and pair your device, and you're ready to go. This is a good method if you don't want to change your radio, or if you live in a bad neighborhood and you don't want to install an expensive radio. You can just simply install this Bluetooth device. Thank